This is a YouTube channel. And this is Derek HVAC Productions.
Look, there's a bunch of Lennox. Okay. And the first one, here's the first Lennox. It's a chilled 7. This one's okay. Oh, this one's a sound blanket. Lennox. Another Lennox again. Elite. Another chilled 7. That's a sound blanket. It's sweat blades. Ooh, this one's another one. Another chilled 7 also. They're all for 1080. This one's a sound blanket. Oh, this one's a sweat blades. That one. Narrow 7 also. There's 6 of them. They're all of them are chilled 7s. They're sound blankets. They're not in the running. Yep. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. They're all not running. Oh, this one is a inverter. 6 chilled 7 Lennoxes. Elites. Okay. Thank you for watching.